Hello. In this video I will demonstrate how to install Shipping Central as well as how to manage your first order using the app. Firstly, you'll want to go over to nshift.com/login. And once we're here, we'll want to scroll down and find nShift Delivery and click on that. From here, simply log in using your account details. Once you're logged in, you'll want to find maintenance and click on that, and then go over to API keys. Then here you'll want to click new API key. On this page, we'll want to scroll down to enable web services REST under the type category, and then you'll want to scroll down even further and input our developer ID, which you can find in the description of this video. When you're done, simply press save and you'll have your API key. Now that you have your API key, you can go back to Business Central and use the search feature and look for extension management and click in on that. Here you'll want to go to App Source Gallery and then once again use the search feature, but this time look for Shipping Central. Then you'll want to click on the name and then install app. Choose your language and then click install. This installation might take up to 30 minutes. Once the second load is finished, simply click OK and then click next. And after that, click finish. With Shipping Central installed, there's still a few more steps to the setup. So use your search feature and search for ship setup and go to Shipping Central setup. Here, click on My Services and then fill out this line. For this example, I'm gonna use PLAB and P18. For carrier agreement, click on No and then input your agreement number. For this example, I'm using all zeros. And make sure when you're done, both of these say yes. Additionally, you can go to More Options, Related, Setup, Addresses, Sender, Address to modify the sender address of your business. When you're done, close this window. Now I will walk through how to make your first sales order using Shipping Central. Use your search feature and go to Sales Orders. Press New. When you're done, make sure to scroll down to Shipping and Billing. Extend that tab and then click Show More. On Agent, we want to choose the same one as we did in the setup. So for this example, that will be PLAB. And then click Yes. Do the same for Agent Service. And once again, click Yes. Now, click Release. Now, click Release. And then go to More Options, Actions, Functions, Shipping Central, and then Create Shipment. Here, make sure everything matches the information you put in on the sales order, and then click Send and Direct Print. If you're not connected to a printer, don't worry. This pop-up just means you can't print out a physical copy. Simply click OK, and OK again. Now, click More Options, Related, and then Prints. Here, you can see our label. Select it, and then click Show Print. Then simply open the downloaded file. And there you have your print, and your first order with Shipping Central is done.